The match was okay. We controlled most of the tempo. Unfortunately, it was a wet game. Good thing we controlled our high balls. We did have knock-ons, but we knew it wasn't going to be an easy one. Kabras has always edged us to the corner, but on this one, kudos to the boys. Unfortunately, the match didn't end, but we managed to pick a draw, and we await the results and how the verdict of the game. It is a motivation to us today picking that draw. The next match is Leicester Falcons. Of course, we respect each team, but I believe the boys will be there. Unfortunately, the Kenya Sevens boys won't be available, but I believe the team is capable of doing the task.
we started our journey well. Bringing in these boys have closed a lot of margins for us, where we were and where we are now. So it's a matter of just bringing them in and letting them just blend in seamlessly without seeing the problem. But we like the way they're playing. We like how they've been adapted into the team. And we're enjoying seeing them play. So they will be a big asset for us for a very long time because they're young. And that is where we're heading to as KCB, to be able to see how we're able to mentor the young kids, to be able to take us to the next level.